All right, hello sixth graders. Here's another at-home lab. Today I will be doing the at-home albedo lab. So you should all know by now from doing your albedo worksheet what albedo is. But once again, just to jog your memories, albedo is how much solar radiation will be absorbed and how much will be reflected back in the atmosphere. So lighter colored objects usually have, or lighter colored surfaces on Earth usually have higher albedos, and darker colored surfaces usually have lower albedos. So we're gonna try it out today with some t-shirts, because one of the ways that I always know what the albedo is, or I can kind of tell the albedo, is when I go outside on a hot day and I have a black t-shirt on. I know it gets a lot hotter when I'm wearing that black t-shirt than when I go outside wearing a white t-shirt. So we're gonna test that out today. I have 3 t-shirts here. I have 3 thermometers and I have a heat lamp. So what we're gonna do first is look at the initial temperature for each t-shirt, and you are gonna write it down. So I'm just gonna show it to you, and then you can write it down for each one. So we'll check out our white t-shirt first. It might take a second to load it, so we'll turn it on and let that one kind of settle. And I'm gonna turn the black t-shirt and our blue t-shirt on as well. Oops, sorry. So we'll check in with our white t-shirt, but it looks like that's gonna be our number, our starting temperature for our white t-shirt. Write that down. Great. Our starting temperature for our black t-shirt is going to be this. Go ahead and write that down. All right, and our starting temperature for our blue t-shirt is going to be this. Go ahead and write that down. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take all 3 thermometers out, and I'm going to turn my light on for 15 minutes. So I've got my timer here, and I'm going to turn my light on and start my timer. There's my light, there's my timer, and we're gonna check back in 15 minutes. All 3 t-shirts are directly under the sunlight. And we're back. So we've got 33 seconds left on the clock. So I'm gonna turn all 3 of our thermometers back on and put them inside of our shirts so they're ready to go, because we now have 20 seconds left. So I wanna kind of set up so that I'm ready to go when I shut my light off, so I don't lose too much of my heat. All right, so we are ready, and we're at 6 seconds. Here's our countdown. And there we go, we're done. So we're gonna pause our timer. We're gonna shut off our light, and we're gonna wait for each one of these temperatures to settle. So as soon as our white one settles, we'll write that down. It's not quite there yet. So we're gonna wait a second. Our black and our blue are both kind of still going. Almost there. Let's check back in with our white. All right, so you're gonna write this number down. Oh, it's still going. Give it a second. Okay, we're gonna write this number down. $39.8. Let's check in with our black one. Go ahead and write that number down. Okay. And our blue one, go ahead and write that number down. All right, so that was our final test. You're going to write your initial temperatures and your final temperatures, and then you are going to do the calculations for your temperature difference. Go ahead and good luck.